Hi, come to one more interesting topic. My name is Pranab. I'm the academic head of Cloud Tutor Bangalore. And the today's topic comes out to be this is slightly sad story of in Indian context, fine. But anyhow, this is a data we should appreciate data and we should try to understand this and try to learn this from this and definitely those economists and other people who are sitting at the top will take cognizance of this data and look forward to designing the policies based on this. Now, what COVID has done, we are almost end of the COVID part one, and there is a second wave also, coming up in some of the states. So leave that aspect. Post COVID, what data we can see is slightly sad to know that this type of things is we are going through. Okay. Now, look at the last part of the data. That means, look at the last three bar chart. Okay, last three bars, what you can see, the middle income, low income, and the poor. So just focus on this because rest of the data is not what India speaks for. So low income is what a person earns from 150 rupees to 800 rupees a day. So that means an average person earning somewhere about 20,000 to 25,000 rupees in India comes under the low income bracket, okay, which comprises of approximately 116 crore, which is last time when I read somewhere about the total India population was 134 crore approximately. So I might be wrong, I might be correct. A range of 130 to 140 crore, you can safely take that. So out of which the major chunk lies in the low income. So low income in India comes out with some 20 to 25,000 rupees is what the income of this bracket comes out to be. And it is sad that such a big part of our population lies in the low income. Bigger shock for us comes out to be that if you look at the poor who are finding it difficult to have food also for 3 times is difficult for them. Now, what you see over here is that there comes out to be increase, twice of X, 2X times that population has increased. So approximately 6 crore population was there whose income was 100 to 150 rupees a day. So that means in a month they earn some 3,000 rupees. And in case if you ask me that this might not be sufficient enough to give you a 2 times proper meal also. Fine. So this is very sad. And this has from 6 crore we have jumped to 13.4 crore. Okay, this research is being published by the Pew Research. So just make sure that you remember this, because in some of the examination they ask you which body or which organization has published this. Okay, so Pew. So they ask you this in some of the examination. And the middle class comes out to be whose income is somewhere about 800 to 1,600 bucks. So you can convert them into the monthly income of that person and you can figure out this. This is something very sad to look at, that so much part of this has drifted back. So that means if you look at the people income is being pushed back. So this is very sad, and hope all those measures taken by government reaches to the right people and we are able to see the right part of the economy shaping up and people pushing towards the front end. Okay, this is what comes out to be a chart which has come up, and this can give you an idea about the Indian economics, how the demography of different people is being. But major part, if you look at that, in India the majority of the population lies in the bracket of this low income, which is 116 crore. Fine. So this is something which we should give you an idea where the our major population is there. Right. Thank you so much. And in case if you want any additional, information pertaining to this topic, do write us to hello@clattutor.com. In case if you think that, our system is adding value to you, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And do provide feedback to our comment section so that we can improve on it. Thank you so much. Nice day.